Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are fine, all of you. We have been discussing Unit 1, that is Unit 1, A reading The Tattered Blanket, B reading a poem, My Mother. Today, let us discuss reading C, A Letter to a Friend. Okay, today we shall discuss about C reading, A Letter to a Friend. Okay, it is a letter written by a friend to his childhood friend. Okay, so a letter was written by Ramesh, who lives in Hyderabad, to Suresh, his childhood friend. Okay, in writing letter, this Ramesh is remembering or recollecting his past memories when they were young, when they were kids, how they enjoyed in their villages, how they used to go to school, in what manner they enjoyed, and now where they are living in Hyderabad, how the life is, and how the life was when they were kids. Okay, by comparing these two lifestyles, this Ramesh wrote letter to Suresh, okay, who is childhood friend of Ramesh. Okay, this is the letter lesson. We are going to read it now. All of you open page number 15. Okay, all of you open page number 15. A letter to a friend. Okay, written from Hyderabad. This letter is written from Hyderabad by Ramesh. Okay, while I read, you look at the book. Dear Suresh, this is Ramesh. I apologize for not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad last week. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. He is talking about Manikonda village. Manikonda village. Every day we played together in our garden. Our family was very big. There were 12 members in our family. I remember how we played in the moonlight. Our grandma used to give us fruit and biscuits. Our grandpa used to tell us fairy tales about the princess, warriors, and the village boys. Now, I am working at Microsoft, a software company in Hyderabad, as a computer programmer. I am married and we have a child. My wife works at Dell, Hyderabad, as a system analyst. You know, city life is quite busy. We start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center, and come back in the evening with faded faces. We hardly find time to sit together. How disgusting. We work with computers, think like computers, and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. So, this year, in the first two paragraphs, Ramesh is writing letter, Suresh, my dear Suresh, I apologize. Apologize means say sorry. Say sorry or ask sorry. Okay, apologize means ask sorry. I apologize for not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad last week. Last week you came to Hyderabad, but I could not meet you. I am sorry, Suresh. I could not meet you when you came to Hyderabad last week. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. Unfortunately, I had a meeting. So Ramesh had a meeting. So that's why he could not meet Suresh. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. So directly he is telling, my dear Suresh, Really remember how we spent our childhood days and how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. Maybe there, Ramesh village, by Ramesh and Suresh, they used to live in Manikonda when they were kids. Every day we played together in our garden. So every day we used to play together in our garden, in Suresh's garden. Our family was very big. There were 12 members in our family. So this is a big family, okay, joint family. Okay, a family of 12 members. Okay, joint family. I remember how we played in the moonlight. Okay, I also now remember how we played during the night in the moonlight. Our grandma used to give us fruits and biscuits. Okay, my grandmother used to give us, she used to give us fruits and biscuits. Our grandpa tells us fairy tales about the princess, warriors, and the village boys. Okay, fairy tales, we hear fairy tales. No? So Ramesh's grandfather used to tell them about the fairy tales, like princess stories, warrior stories, village boy stories, all these stories. This grandfather used to tell them. So first paragraph, Ramesh is remembering his childhood days in this letter. Okay, he is remembering how we spent with Suresh in their family when they were children, when they were kids. They used to play in the garden, they used to play in the moonlight, they used to listen to stories. Very happily they spent their childhood. Second paragraph. Now I am working at Microsoft, a software company, Hyderabad, as a computer programmist. Okay, he is working in a Microsoft company as a computer programmer. Okay, Ramesh is working at Microsoft Office as a Microsoft software company as a computer programmer. I am married and we have a child. So he is married and he also had a kid. My wife works at Dell, Hyderabad, as a system analyst. Okay, Ramesh's wife also works at Dell company as a system analyst. As a system analyst. You know, city life is quite busy. We start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center, and come back in the evening with faded faces. Okay, so we all know that, Suresh, you know that living in a city is very busy. Okay, city life is a very busy life. We both of us, which means Ramesh and his wife, they both together live in the morning and come. They also leave their kid at baby care center, where baby care center, where babies are taken care of. Okay, where IS are there, maids are there to take care of those kids. That's called a baby care center. They leave their kid at baby care center and start in the morning and go for job, and they come back in the evening with the faded faces, tired faces. We hardly find time to sit together. We will have hardly time. Okay, they both, husband and wife, are very busy in their works and office works. So they will have very little time to sit together and spend together. How disgusting, how sad. Okay. We work with computers, think like computers, and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. So we, wife and husband, and live like computers, work with computers, and think also like computers. We have really forgotten our family life. Okay, they are missing. In the second para, he is telling about the city life. In the first paragraph, he explained us about the village life and their childhood enjoyment. But whereas in the second paragraph, Ramesh is explaining about the city life, how busy and how they live life. Third paragraph. I remember how we played gilli danda, hide and seek, and kabaddi. We went for swimming in our local tank every day, every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment. There is no room to play. Our flat is our world, just like a well for a frog. Okay, now he is again remembering. You know, Suresh, how we used to play gilli danda. Okay, there is a stick and there is also small stick with which we beat is called gilli danda game. Hide and seek and kabaddi. We used to play all these. The Suresh and Ramesh used to play these games. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. When they were children, when they were kids, they used to go for swimming in their village local tank. Every Sunday they went for swimming. Here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. Here, you know, Suresh, here we live in an apartment. It is a congested apartment. There is no room to play at all. Our flat is our world, just like a well for a frog. Here we live in a flat. Once we log in, once we come to our flat, we don't come out. Here we just live like a frog, which means for frog, well is the world it thinks. Okay, well only it's the whole world. Just like they also live and think, and they just live in an apartment like a frog in the well. How happy we were in our school. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and took part in the events. So Suresh, how happy we were in the school. Okay, we used to sit in the same row because they were friends. They are friends. They used to sit in the same row and took part in the events. Okay, same all the events they participated together. I remember how Padmanabhaya sir, our class teacher, appreciated us when we got the first prize in district science fair. Okay, Padmanabhaya sir was their class teacher when they were studying in the school. Okay, he appreciated them for getting first prize in the district science fair. I remember how we went on a picnic to Koil Sagar. Okay, we went for a picnic to Koil Sagar. No, it was very happy. There we went boating. There we went for boating also. We went enjoyed in the boats also. Our tour to Srisailam was memorable when we went for tour. Okay, there is a difference between picnic and tour. Picnic is a single day event, whereas tour is for more than one day. Okay, picnic means we go in the morning and come back in the evening before the day closes. Whereas tour means it is for more than one day, which means it can be 2, 3, 4, any number of days. So they went to Srisailam tour. Still I remember the green hills full of trees that almost touched the sky. Still I remember all those trees and all. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at that dam. We went and saw the Srisailam dam, no? So I remember all the Krishna river, that sound and all. There is nothing here. Okay, so in this Hyderabad here, there is nothing here, that sort of things. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of the computer and plays games, never caring for anyone. Okay, he is a child also. The Suresh child also is like that only. He always sits in front of the computer and plays some games, never caring for anyone, which means he doesn't care for anyone. He just sits in front of the computer and plays games. Next paragraph. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He brought toys and fruits for us. Okay, I also remember when my uncle came to our house. He brought toys and fruits for us, for both of us. He brought toys and fruits. Our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasara. My aunt brought me a new dress for me for Dasara festival. How we enjoyed Deepavali. We also used to enjoy Deepavali. Very good. Still I hear the sound of crackers. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of light. So still I remember those crackers that we cracked, those all those things we did during Deepavali. Those lights, those crackers, those rockets, all those still I remember, which means he is remembering, he is recollecting all those things. Where are those days? My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbor are the same. So His child also even, okay, his child doesn't know the relationships, okay, because the child, his Ramesh child doesn't know relatives or somebody others, so he considers everybody the same. Sometimes I think of our childhood days. I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. So Suresh, sometimes I think of all those days, our childhood days, uncles, grandparents, brothers, sisters, everybody. I think sometimes we miss them. We miss the joy of the family. We missed their company. We are missing many things in this busy life. Really, Suresh, we missed all those fun. We missed all the joy of the family together living. Okay, we missed their company. Really, we are missing many things in this busy life. We are missing many real things, that love and affection, that caring, okay, that happiness we are missing in this busy life. Turn to page number 16. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone. Those fairy tales, those fruits, those words of love and affection. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. So, Suresh, I don't know where all those have gardens gone. Those fairy tales, those stories, those fruits, those words of love and affection from our parents, from our uncles, grandpas. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. Really, we are living in this unreal world. Okay, we have lost the joy or the real joy that we had once during our childhood days. Now we are missing it. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. So finally, he wrote. Anyhow, I have found some time to write to you a letter. When you once again visit to Hyderabad, you come to me. Okay, meet me. Let us remember our childhood days of joy. Okay. So yours loving friend, Ramesh. So in this way, a letter was written by Suresh to Ramesh. Okay, here the differences between the past childhood life, past days, how they used to enjoy, and how the life or how the world is now. Okay, go through this lesson, read again, and underline the hard words and send it to me so that I will reply you through WhatsApp. Thank you.